Hi, my name is Elin. I am the founder of an organization called the Human Element. We specialize in providing efficient, impactful, and high level human resources management and recruitment services to small and medium organizations with a specialization in the healthcare space. I'm also a life and career coach. So, in this very short video, I just wanted to give you a little bit about my background and also tell you why I believe it's really important for you to know. I am also a Bachelor of Health Sciences graduate. I was part of the very first cohort and graduated in 2006. I specialized in fundamentals of health and disease as well as pharmacology. Initially, I thought that I would start my career and I would become a medical sales representative and grow within the pharmaceutical space because of my degree and because of the pharmacology major that I focused on. But that didn't happen. I actually ended up in a human resources capacity where I started off in recruitment and then progressed into becoming an HR manager and HR business partner in a number of organizations. So the reason this is so significant is because I don't believe that I would have been able to achieve so much success in my career had it not been for the foundation that the Bachelor of Health Sciences degree afforded me. When I started off, I worked in a recruitment organization that specialized in the healthcare space. The reason the organization wanted to hire me was because of that focus in health sciences. And that made it easy for me to really understand the medical lingo and the medical terms, as well as giving me a background to understanding what are the important factors that employers look for when hiring employees. So that trajectory started with recruitment, and then I went and worked in a nonprofit organization that focused on clinical research as well as HIV treatment and prevention. And at the time, I was young and ambitious and really wanted to learn and grow. And I believe that my success very early on in my career allowed me to add a tremendous amount of value to the organizations that I worked in, not just because of the fact that I had subsequently decided to do a course in human resources management, but because I felt like I was able to combine the elements of human resources management with the healthcare space and really understand what it takes for an organization to be successful through its people. I worked for a business called Wits Consortium and supported a number of different divisions within the consortium. The last one was Wits RHI. They are one of the biggest divisions within the Wits Consortium, and their focus is on clinical research as well as HIV treatment and prevention and some other areas as well. So I afterwards also worked in an international NGO called PATH, and I was the regional human resources manager, regional human resources business partner actually for Southern Africa. And in that role, I focused on South Africa, Zambia, and Mozambique. And that opportunity allowed me to travel, allowed me to gain international exposure and experience in HR. And it was also an organization that worked within the healthcare context in the nonprofit sector. I left the nonprofit sector to work in a for-profit organization, and in that role, I also was responsible for managing an international shared services center that was based in South Africa. And when I left there, I worked in HR for a private-public partnership with SAICA and the Department of Higher Education and Training. So the reason I think this is so significant is because I believe that the fundamentals that you will be learning in your degree will offer you many opportunities that you are able to utilize, especially as it relates to human resources management and what it takes in our healthcare sector to make an organization, our healthcare sector, the organizations in our healthcare sector successful through people. I believe all the fundamentals that you are learning about health systems, health system sciences, health system strengthening, and the HR components that make those systems strong are really going to afford you the opportunity to really make a successful career no matter which path you choose, knowing that you have the fundamentals that will allow you to really grow and build a successful career. If you'd like to connect with me, I am on LinkedIn, and I will share my details with you then. So I wish you all the success in your career, and I look forward to being able to meet with you one day where you will also be able to share your journey and experience as it relates to how the Bachelor of Health Sciences degree has been able to afford you many opportunities to grow and develop your career further. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I really look forward to connecting in the future. Take care. Bye.